You're here because you want to avoid making a mistake with your lawsuit, and you're right to think this way, and you're in the right place. But to get your lawsuit on the right footing, you're going to have to understand the next few tips. Number one, don't talk too much. People often think that if they don't say anything, they appear guilty or liable. And yeah, you may appear guilty or liable, but let me ask you this. How many times in your life have you said something that was taken completely out of context? Maybe a number of times, right? Imagine this. A police officer pulls you over, walks up to your window and says, "Hey, do you know why I pulled you over?" And you say, "Sorry, I was just trying to rush home," or "I was trying to get home because I needed to use the bathroom," or something was going on, whatever the case. Not only have you told the officer that, you probably were speeding, you've also allowed them and given them the opportunity to take that statement and completely take it out of context. Here's the thing. The less you say, the better. You can't take your words back, but you can always speak later. Number two, get it in writing. Your memory ain't that good. You can't even remember what you ate last week on Tuesday, and I would bet on that. Point is, your memory is going to fade, but the documents don't, the emails don't, the photos don't. Don't get into the whole he said, she said thing. Don't leave it in the air. Get it concrete, written down, ready to go. Number three, take pictures. Photos can help you win your case. If you get in a car accident or you're involved in some kind of slip and fall and you take pictures, that's gonna help you later on down the line. Especially it's gonna help your attorney down the line. The earlier you take the photo, the better. And yeah, someone's gonna say, well, why'd you take a picture right after you fall? Well, if you don't show proof, sometimes people are gonna deny that it even happened. Don't leave it for dispute. Have that picture ready to go. Number four, and it kind of ties into number one, don't admit fault. People have this habit of saying, "I'm sorry." You know those kind of folks I'm talking about. The kind of people like you bump into them and then they apologize for being in your way. Don't be like those people. You have to understand, your statement will be used against you, especially if it's favorable to the other side. Immediately after an accident, you feel bad. You feel like you've done something wrong, and maybe you did. We'll find out. But the point is, there's so many facts and circumstances that need to be fleshed out before we can admit fault. So, investigators have to come to the scene. Investigators have to do their jobs. We have to develop all the facts to make sure that we understand who actually is liable. Don't do it out of a feeling or because you just feel remorseful. Do it because you know the answer. Number five, pay attention to deadlines. I can't stress enough how important it is to pay attention to the dates that are given to you. You want to pay attention to all the court deadlines that you get. Pay attention to anything that you might have missed. All of these things are going to be very important. Deadlines can help you win a case off of a procedural ground, which is an amazing thing to use. Imagine not having to really put up much of a fight. Now that's how you win a fight. Number six, get insurance. Some people think they don't need insurance, but I'll tell you this, you don't need insurance until you need insurance. One accident can cost more than all the premiums you've been paying over time. And also, by having insurance, you also protect your income in the future, whether it be having to pay medical expenses or having to pay for repairs or so. You want to make sure that you're in the best position possible. Number seven, beware of social media. We have this habit of posting everything that we do. Especially after an accident, you want to avoid social media. You don't want to post after an accident where you're claiming some kind of injury, and then next thing you know, you're in the gym deadlifting almost 200, 300 pounds. That's not gonna really help you out. And also think about this. Let's say the case ever gets to trial and a jury sees this picture. What do you think is more interesting? Some boring lawyer talking to them or a picture of you working out at the gym while you're there saying that you're claiming some kind of injury? Which one is more impactful? Look, if you made it to the end of this video, you're on the right step to getting your lawsuit on the right foot. But let me know if this video was helpful to you. Let me know if I provided some value. Let me know if I didn't. If I did, I just kindly ask that you would like and subscribe to the channel and also share the video if you have time. If there's a topic you want me to cover, drop it down in the comments below. I'll look into it and I'll cover it in the next video. Thank you for watching.